Hey everyone, Jeremy here with MarineMax Cross Lake, and welcome to the all-new Cobalt R6 Outboard. That's right, this is an amazing outboard powered vessel that we have here in a 26-footer. It's got the all-new Mercury V10 350. As you can see, it's in the cold fusion white, matching this boat just perfectly. This is going to give you an amazing quality Cobalt ride in a smooth shifting performance and zero vibration throughout the entire boat. We're going to go through this, show you why this is such a unique vessel here. First of all, on the stern, you're going to notice this has a very unique little drop down step. Instead of a very difficult to deploy ladder, you have a very easy drop down step coming inside the boat. Very easy operation up and down on the stern. We have tons of room. Also, if you come over here and look, even though we have the outboard here, we still have a very spacious swim platform with the soft track mat padding. This is the gray with a black boot stripe and the white hull. Very gorgeous looking boat. It does say Coastal Edition. That just means it's because it has the outboard application. All right, we've reached the stern of the Cobalt R6 outboard. And like I said, we have tons of room on this swim platform, even though we have that V10 outboard here. We have a center passageway here with dual sun loungers. This is really cool. We just push these two forward, and then we have very comfortable seating, hanging out, watching the sunset, enjoying the cove and the bay when we're anchored, and then we can just shift them back here. And then we have our large, expansive seating cockpit. Very easy entrance into the cockpit, very small step, really long seating here. Awesome storage. You can see we have a spot for a built-in cooler. Nice hydraulic ram seat hinges there. This is going to be a very deep storage area here with a nice trash receptacle, our battery switch right there. We have the seagrass flooring, and then I do like this little compartment here. We're going to unsnap this, and we have a nice little hidden spot right here, right in the middle of the cockpit for large fenders and whatnot. All right, as we turn around to the stern, instead of having a big engine compartment here, we have awesome storage facility on both sides of our loungers. As you can see, both of these will pop up. Tremendous amount of storage on both sides. And then one major advantage of an outboard is utilizing all this space here. You can notice Cobalt does an awesome job of finishing their hatches, keeping the boat nice and quiet and sealed up. All right, we've reached the midship of the R6 outboard. One thing I want to point out on the passenger side is the reversible seat that flips this way. We can lounge, open up the cockpit, or have it face forward along with our flip-up bolster. Nice sturdy bolster. It's an extra wide seat so you can get a small child sitting next to you here. Over to the side we also have the port head compartment. Nice little shelf over there on the side. If you don't use it for the porta potty, it's a nice area to change or keep extra large storage items. Over to the captain's helm, we do have the dual Garmin glass setup here. This is very convenient to be able to have your engine data over here and then your GPS and depth finder and everything over here. So you got all kinds of information all at the fingertips in one view. These are backlit switches, very easy to read. We got RGB lights, cockpit lights, nav lights, everything across the board here. Flush mounted fusion stereo makes this a very clean dash. Wireless charger, and then our digital throttle and shift for our V10 350, which is going to give us smooth, effortless shifting. Coming through the walkthrough, Cobalt is always known for having a convenient walk-through door, blocking the wind, keeping this nice and secure. And I love how it's a bifold door, how it gets nice and flush here. Coming forward, we have the armrest in the bow. This is a very unique layout. That way we can sit here and still have our feet in a nice comfortable position right here. Flip the armrest up, we have good storage here. And this one here on the front of the helm pops up very nicely. A spot for an anchor, nice non-skid there for stepping in and out of the boat. And then with the extra space in this larger boat, we have another hidden compartment inside here. We're utilizing every bit of space in this boat for storage, for extra gear on the boat. So that's the R6 outboard with the Mercury 350 V10 here at MarineMax Cross Lake. You're gonna wanna check this one out. This is a must test drive boat so you can truly experience the outboard experience on a Cobalt boat. Thanks for watching.